investor doesn't know you are a saver or investor. So the simple is that if you are investing in an FD, you are a saver. If you are investing in a stock market, you are an investor. ये दो बड़ा difference है. Because both have inherent risk, which are different risk. So interesting is that in India, mein, what is happening today is that we have early investors. You find the population of age of India may typically 22, 23 years may first salary. The guy graduates, generally starts earning. Earlier days, our first investment was a saver. Today we see the shift. My belief is that if you are an investor today, coming to the market, first go to pure diversified equity fund.
ये हो गए आपके मल्टी कैप,
फ्लेक्सी कैप, हाइब्रिड बाद में करो. हाँ, बाद में करो because you need to understand the process, how does it do it. But if you are a very good understanding about stocks or you are inclined towards, start picking stocks, nothing wrong with that. But the easiest way is to do a diversified mutual fund, whether it is mixture of large and mid or a flexi cap. It's a good start point for first time investor.